Okay, this is another item that I bought from AliExpress. As you can see, it's a helmet clip. In other words, it's the camera mount. But this is its design, and it's actually not the best design out there, which is why I decided to get another mount, which is from Chinmount. Again, I'm not sponsored, I'm just trying to review different kinds. We'll see which one is better fitted or suitable for my use. So the reason why I no longer use this is because, of course, firstly, it's broken, as you can see here. It is still usable because you can still put on the camera mounting screw here, but the main reason is because of this design, in a way I will say design flaw of this. I will put it on the helmet and you will understand what I mean. First things first, you actually need to use a Allen key to install this, which is the first hassle. Not the best or the easiest installation ever. So once it's in place, you have to tighten this screw again using the Allen key. The screw can actually go really tight, but there was once I think I didn't tighten the screw enough. So when I was putting the helmet on, the whole clip fallen off and I dropped my Insta360 X3, which, for those who know, the lens cannot be changed unlike the newer model. But fortunately for me, I didn't scratch or crack the lens. So as you can see, if I tighten it very much, it's actually quite strong. Like I can hold on to the helmet on the mount. But as I mentioned, this is the, I don't know if you can see or not, this is the design flaw here. It kind of protrudes into the helmet opening or space, which makes my jaw a little bit uncomfortable because my jaw is kind of touching or squeezing on the mount all the time. And of course, this protruding part, which is much more than any minimalist mount, makes head check over the shoulder difficult. I always hit my shoulder on the mount. They provided the alcohol wipes, so I'm gonna use the wet wipes to clean up the installation area. Which is here. And they also provided the drying wipe, but since we need to heat up the 3M tape for 5 to 10 seconds, I'll just let it dry while we heat up the adhesive tape behind the mount. Let's go! I get my mount ready and my hairdryer ready on high heat. So we have to peel off the backings as per instruction and then heat up the 3M tape for 5 to 10 seconds apparently. So, yeah. Let's heat it up.
A few moments later.
Right now we need to press hard on it for 60 seconds. Apply even pressure according to instruction. Now that the mount is mounted, it's sitting flush almost. Looks good, and the most important of all, unlike the previous mount, it doesn't protrude into the helmet itself, so that should make it more comfortable to wear while riding. Back to the mount. I actually don't like to stick things on my things. For example, you can't find any 3M tapes on my bike, which is also the reason why I go for the previous mount initially, because it doesn't use the 3M tape. Unfortunately, it seems like this is the only option to go, and I will explain why I want to mount. First of all, of course, if you want to do some vlogging, you need a camera, and then second of all is for safety reason. Just like every car has a dash cam, if you mount the camera here, you can use it as a dash cam as well. It will be very useful and helpful if you have all those footages in terms of any incident. Fingers crossed it doesn't happen, but it will be very useful in any incident, or if any cops, for example, trying to pull you over and give you a fine with no reason, that camera should help as well. So that is something as a motorcyclist we can put into consideration. That's all for today. If you like the content, press the like button and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace. Ride safe.